So let me ask you something. What's the perfect evening look like for you? For me, it's right here on the lanai. Enjoying a Florida breeze, good cigar, glass of bourbon. But here's the kicker. Not everyone knows how to make this kind of lifestyle a reality. Think about this for a moment. What if every evening felt like a vacation? Imagine stepping outside your back door into a personal paradise. Here in Florida, it's not just a dream, it's a way of life. And the best part, it's within reach right here in Lakewood Ranch. When we first moved here, we realized that the lanai was not just a home feature. It was a lifestyle. It was a place where we can go and unwind, recharge, connect with nature, all while we got to enjoy the company of our friends and our family. That's why we're so passionate about sharing this experience with you. So if you've ever dreamed about living like this, keep watching, because today I'm going to show you how Lakewood Ranch's incredible new construction homes are designed to give you the lifestyle that you've been dreaming about, and then some. So here in Florida, living isn't just about the weather, it's about how you enjoy it. Homes here are built for outdoor living. This lanai, it's not just a backyard, it's an extension of my home. It's where I unwind, entertain, or just sit back, listen to the palm trees and rustling in the breeze. Now, picture this. You just finished a delicious meal cooked on your outdoor grill. Maybe you're sitting by the pool as the sun sets. Maybe there's some soft music playing in the background, the sound of water trickling from your pool's fountain, the scent of jasmine on the evening breeze. This is what we mean by Florida living. And it's not just a location, it's a feeling. Not every home in Lakewood Ranch has a lanai, certainly not exactly like this, but let me tell you, here's what's standard across the board. Thoughtful design. Builders know that when people move to Florida, they're looking for this connection to the outdoors. They're looking for spaces that are functional as they are beautiful. Let me tell you about some of the small touches that make a big difference. Many homes here feature extended lanais with built-in heaters for cooler nights, or ceiling fans to keep things comfortable during the day. And for those who love gardening, I like gardening, imagine a lanai with space for luscious tropical plants, creating your own very own oasis right in your backyard. These aren't just spaces, they are extensions of your lifestyle. Think about it. Do you love grilling with your family? Picture having your own outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill, fridge, maybe even a pizza oven. Love hosting friends? Imagine a fire pit surrounded by cozy seating, perfect for an evening of conversation and laughter. That's the Florida living experience, and homes in Lakewood Ranch, they're built to bring that to life. But let me tell you, it's not just about the big things, it's the little details too. Screen lanais that keep the bugs out by letting the breeze in, sliding glass doors that are open wide to merge your indoor space with your outdoor space. These homes are designed for real life, your life. One of the things that sets Lakewood Ranch apart is how builders have embraced the latest trends in home designs. Open floor plans aren't just a buzzword here, they're a way of life. Many of these homes here are designed to bring people together. So whether you're looking to host a holiday dinner party or just have a quiet night in, let's talk about storage problem. Modern homes in Lakewood Ranch come with walk-in pantries, oversized closets, even garage spaces that can double as workshops or storage for your golf cart. Now you might be wondering, why choose new construction? Why not just buy an existing home? Well, let me break it down for you. First, it's about customization. With new construction, you're not settling for someone else's vision, you're creating your own. Now, with that being said, not every home builder does custom design work. For example, maybe you want an open concept kitchen with a massive island where everyone gathers during the holidays. Or maybe you're dreaming of a master suite with a spa-like bathroom and a view of the water. Builders like Neal Communities, John Cannon Homes make these dreams possible. You choose the finishes, the layouts, even the little details like the fixtures and the floorings. And again, not every builder, not every community. Second, it's about peace of mind. With new construction, you're getting the latest technology, energy-efficient appliances, hurricane-resistant windows, state-of-the-art materials that reduce maintenance, and let's not forget warranties. Many builders include structural and appliance warranties, so you don't have to worry about the unexpected costs. Here's another cool thing to consider. Many new construction homes here in Lakewood Ranch, they're built with multi-generational living in mind. So whether it's a private guest suite for visiting family, or maybe it's a second living area for your teenagers, a lot of these homes are designed to evolve around your needs. So if you need that kind of flexibility, you might not be able to find it with older homes. Plus, a lot of these homes are designed for the future. Smart home systems, energy saving design. It's all about making your life easier and more enjoyable. Now, here's the thing. A house is just four walls. What makes it a home is the community around it. And Lakewood Ranch, it's something special. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle. You've got over 150 miles of trails, world-class golf courses, and community events that bring neighbors together. So whether you're into kayaking, yoga, grabbing a bite at the local food truck festival, there's always something happening. And the best part, with about 40 different neighborhoods to choose from, each community within Lakewood Ranch has its own little vibe. Looking for a resort style? Check out Del Webb or Esplanade, with pools and clubhouses, plenty of social activities. Want a quieter, more nature-focused setting? Check out the Isles, might be perfect for you. There truly is something for everyone. And even though there's over 40 communities, Lakewood Ranch is not just a collection of neighborhoods. It's a community unlike anything else I've ever seen. One of the things that we love most is how easy it is to stay active here. So beyond the trails and the golf courses, you'll find fitness classes, yoga on the lawn. You can even find water aerobics in some of the community pools. And for foodies, you'll love the farmers markets, the food truck rallies, and local dining options that showcase everything from seafood to international cuisine. And another thing that makes Lakewood Ranch unique is its focus on wellness. Did you know that many neighborhoods have their own spas, fitness centers, even meditation gardens? It's not just about buying a home, it's about investing in a lifestyle that prioritizes your health and your happiness. I've had clients tell me they didn't just buy a home here, they found a place where they belong. And that's the magic of Lakewood Ranch. I'll be sure to put some links in the description down below to homes for sale, new construction, as well as resale. I'll put some links in the description down below to some home tours that we've done so you can get a good idea of some options. I'll put some links in the description down below to my contact information. Of course, if you have any questions at all about homes for sale, whether that's new construction or resale homes, reach out to me anytime. At the end of the day, this is what it's all about. Finding a place that feels like home, where every detail is designed to fit your lifestyle. And let me tell you, if Lakewood Ranch is not on your radar yet, it definitely should be. So whether you're drawn to the sense of community, the access to nature, or the beautifully designed homes, Lakewood Ranch truly has something for everyone. So here's what I want you to do. Take that first step, whether it's a phone call, a quick DM, or even an email. Let's at least get the conversation started. Because the lifestyle you've been dreaming of, it's right here in Lakewood Ranch waiting for you. So here's my question. What does your dream home look like? Is it a small, quaint little lanai like this? Or perhaps a big open kitchen, a home office with a view? Whatever it is, we are here to help. Give us a call, let's make it happen, because your dream lifestyle isn't just a dream, it's waiting for you right here in Lakewood Ranch. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time checking out our channel, hello and welcome. If you're a returning viewer, hello, welcome back. My name is Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I'm a real estate agent, I'm a lifestyle matchmaker. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you stick around and watch that video. We'll see you next time, everyone.